Canto.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit banging.
I don't do no talking, I handle my business. We get them going when we get in the shipment. When we get them going, we ain't leaving no witness. I'm fucking your bitch, that's the reason she tripping. Say little nigga, listen. Ain't no more dropping the ticket. Ain't no more stalling the mission. I ran this shit up cause I'm having a vision. We don't do no talking, shit. We get them gone, yeah. Don't know where the drought is. Might run in your home, damn. If he get to talking to run his mouth, we gon' white chalk him. If you get jammed, please do not run your mouth. We don't do no talk, yeah. Couple of peas in the back of the backseat. Got on my ass, but back then they would text me. I was the youngest, just wanna be flashy. Couple years later, my niggas run track meets. Couple years later, I thought about fatal, focused on the paper, then hopped on the track. My homies been cool, but they still on the tag. My circle compact, it be small as a tank. Had a Toyota Corolla, ain't never pull over. I drove that bitch like it's a cat. Know if they with me, they loyal, would never be over no fucking money or no cat. He said the no at the H, but he stay in the mo. I won't even get up in that act. I might go skinny dipping with the racks. That shit feel so good when I let go of stress. Just went to the gym and I went to the press. All of my ear, I don't listen to mess. Now, I got on ones right now, I'm about to check. Came over once, now I don't want to text. Just want the nick, don't even want the sex. I let her flex, but that was just a test. I tell them what they want, but they don't need the rest. I tell her what she want, but she gon' hate the rest. I give them what they want, then I get the bread. A nigga running up, I'm dumping at the head. I never gave a fuck with no nigga said. My nigga took a deal, ain't do it, but he played. We was in the field, up good smoking meds. I'm in control of my anger, I had to find out how to play. I don't do no talking, I handle my business. We get them going when we get in the shipment. When we get them going, we ain't leaving no witness. I'm fucking your bitch, that's the reason she tripping.
I really ain't never did too much talking.
Ain't no more
I ain't never did nothing these niggas be doing.
No
No
business, cause I'm having a
PPC,
vision.
nigga.
I don't do no talking, I handle my business. We get them going when we get in the shipment. When we get them going, we ain't leaving no witness. I'm fucking your bitch, that's the reason she tripping. Say little nigga, listen. Ain't no more dropping the ticket. Ain't no more stalling the mission. I ran this shit up cause I'm having a vision. We don't do no talking, shit. We get them gone, yeah. Don't know where the drought is. Might run in your home, damn. If he get to talking to run his mouth, we gon' white chalk him. If you get jammed, please do not run your mouth. We don't do no talking.